In the heart of the 19th century, a new chapter unfolded in the annals of human history. The world was on the brink of an unprecedented era, an era that would irrevocably alter the course of life as it was known. This was the dawn of the pollution industrial age. In the bustling city of Manchester, England, the Industrial Revolution was in full swing. Factories, once small and scattered, were now towering giants, spewing plumes of smoke into the sky. The air was thick with the scent of coal and iron, a testament to the relentless march of progress. The factory owners, driven by the insatiable desire for profits, installed steam engines to power their machines. These engines, though efficient, were a double-edged sword. They brought about unprecedented growth, but at a cost that few had anticipated. The smoke that filled the air, once a symbol of prosperity, soon became a harbinger of danger. The once clear skies were now a mere memory, replaced by a thick, suffocating pall. Children, playing in the streets, coughed and choked on the smog that hung heavy over their homes. The rivers, once teeming with fish and life, were now dark and lifeless. The water, once clear and crisp, was now a murky, toxic brew. The fish, once a source of food and sustenance, were now poisoned, their bodies riddled with diseases. The people, once vibrant and healthy, were now weak and frail. The once strong, burly factory workers were now bent and stooped, their lungs weakened by the polluted air. The once hardy townsfolk were now plagued by ailments never before seen. The government, slow to react, watched as the situation worsened. The parties involved, fearing the economic impact, turned a blind eye to the growing crisis. The people, desperate for change, took to the streets, demanding action. It was in this crisis that the seeds of change were sown. The pollution industrial age, once a symbol of progress, was now a reminder of the folly of unchecked growth. The people, though still reeling from the effects, began to demand cleaner air, cleaner water, and a cleaner world. This narrative is a testament to the power of human resilience and the indomitable spirit of the common man. It serves as a cautionary tale, a reminder of the devastating consequences of unchecked industrial growth, and a call to action for future generations. The pollution industrial age, though a dark chapter in human history, ultimately paved the way for a cleaner, greener future.